Hey, good morning everybody. Santa here in DINGALAN, Tuesday, February 25. Hard to believe. February's marching down. Oh, anyway, yeah, the weather here has just been crazy. Right now, super windy, especially right on the beach. Crazy wind. I put some new flags out yesterday, and now they almost look like they're gonna blow off the poles. The closer you get to the ocean, the stronger the wind, of course. I'm on the right of way right now. It's not too bad. But Sally's cleaning the beach. That's a losing battle. Every day, because all the garbage coming up. I'm just walking up here and opening the gate because nobody's done it yet. Let's take a look. Ah. Ah. Sorry, folks. Pretty quiet morning. Kids are starting to go to school already. Looks like somebody might have tried to clean up this lot a little bit. I know my caretakers cleaned the near the fence. They never clean this side. Anyway, as I get closer to the beach, you can see the wind. Rain's coming in again. I can see it already coming in. I can feel it already. Really blowing. Before I went to bed, I closed all the windows just in case. And we put the tarps down on the kitchen. But now it's coming again. You can see how much it's picked up. No blue skies today, people, not yet anyway. There's new flags almost blowing off the poles. Everything's blowing. I don't know how long this is gonna last. Anyway, nothing we can do about it. It's weather. I can't even really ride the bike. No, not like this. Not unless it clears up. Another day I'm stuck doing nothing. Alright folks, not much else to tell you. Just waiting for some more Lazada stuff to come in. And probably gonna head to Cabeneto on Thursday, most likely. So I can pay the money to get this test done. Trying to avoid it, but I guess I can't avoid it. I don't know. I don't know what to do. But I guess I can't just do nothing. And it's good to get over there anyway. So I'm hoping some of my Lazada comes before Thursday so I don't have to leave it up to Sally to accept it when it comes. She might have to. I just usually just leave her some money. And then if they deliver while I'm gone, she can take care of it. So most likely Thursday. And then Saturday again when Mommy's here and the kids. We'll have to check on the car, the hoopty. And yes, I do have a shirt on today. Because it was a little bit raining and a little bit colder. So I just threw on this t-shirt I had. Alright, so I guess that's it. Sorry I don't have anything more exciting for you. Some days are like this. Just nothing days. Nothing to do. Just watching the weather and that's it. So thanks for watching. God bless everyone. Like and subscribe. It's free. Santa Claus. Over and out.